Welcome. In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. And scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the list of options and look for the one called sounds and vibration. Oh, here we have it. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and look for the option called vibration strength and tap on it to enter the menu. And we have the list of vibration like strength levels, and we have none, weak, and strong. None, if this one is selected, the vibration will be turned off completely. Weak is the weaker option, shorter and weaker, and strong is the longer and stronger option. So select the one you like, and then tap on OK. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.